There's nothing you can do about it. You're just going to have to lay back on
See if he does it now. Look at him. He's cutting me right off.
What'd you do to him?
I didn't do anything to him. He doesn't want me to get past him.
You must have done something to him.
Look at him.
You did something to him.
I didn't do anything to him. And he's intentionally... I am filming it. I am filming it. He just doesn't want me to get by him. And I don't know why he's upset. I did not do anything to him. 1119 on the back. What state is this truck?
North Carolina. The plate's North Carolina.
Wabash on the back. I don't understand. I don't understand why he keeps running me off the road.
You didn't give him the finger or anything?
No, I did not. I did not do anything to him.
I can't figure out why he's doing what he's doing. It's weird. He just almost cut his